So using P-Touch Editor to create a new label design. There are all the different templates that you can work with, but now I want to create something, my own unique label design with a blank sheet. So we'll start there with that blank sheet by selecting New Label Design. The first thing you want to do, of course, make sure that you're connected to the right printer. You have the printer selected. The next thing you want to do is find out what size label you want to make. If you're making, let's say you're making a 5-inch label, just grab the edge of the label and adjust it to whatever size you want. Use the ruler on top to tell you what size label you have there. Next, you want to go ahead and add information to this label. Just go ahead and we can add an image here. By selecting from the top ribbon, I'll just select image, and then we can take our image from file, screen capture, clip art, symbol, or we can simply make a picture. I'm just going to go ahead and take one from a file that we had before, and we have our brother logo here. Now we want to add some text to it. We can go ahead and add text by selecting text from the ribbon there. We can type in Brother Mobile Solutions. And we have our Brother Mobile Solutions label. If I wanted to resize that, it's very simple. We can just simply select that and shrink that down. It automatically adjusts it to the size that we want, and we can go ahead and move that anywhere we want in the label. And that's pretty much how you create a basic label. There are all kinds of other features that you can use down here. You can use the bold, the italics, the underline. You can use the shadow effects, all the different text positions and everything. Right here in the box, the same exact thing with the image. When you select the image, you can adjust the brightness, the contrast. You can crop out the image, so many different things. But very simply, you can insert your images, your text, and anything else that you want to in that. And that's how you create a basic label from a blank sheet using P-Touch Editor.